Hey, what's up, Gina? Corey here. Real quick, I'm just going to shoot over those 3 free tips on how to get more quality traffic to your website and really outrank your competitors as well. 3 things I'm actually going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. I've been looking over your site and really bringing your word count up to about 15, maybe 2,000 words, being really authoric in what you do and how you do it. Plus, adding more words, you can actually layer in those keywords, and those keywords are how people are actually finding you and how you're being searched. Even these images, what they're saved as, this is all content back here. You can switch that out. Instead of download one, you can actually do keywords. That's going to help you get on that first page of Google to help draw more leads in. So if I go inside of Google and type in heater repair San Diego, this is what you're going to see. You got these Google guarantees. These are actually a new ad that Google came out. They came up with these because those old school ads been really spammy, so these just help block out some of those spammy phone calls is all. But they do get pretty pricey at the end of the day, and actually going over the ROI on ads and also all this organic, which I'm showing you, it's kind of cool to break it down and see the differences there. But this little map section here, you have a bunch of businesses that are trying to get in the top rankings. Didn't even realize my music was on, sorry. So you have a bunch of businesses trying to get in the very top right here. You even have a bunch of pages as well. But to get in the very top in this little map section, you're going to be dealing with a lot of citations. What a citation is just an online business directory with your business name, address, phone number listed on it. So what you don't want to do is come in and go get those same citations that your top competitors have. We obviously don't want to stop there. We want to go out there and get a lot more as well. Maybe 50 or even 100 times the amount of citations that they have. So when Google does their algorithms and crawls your site, they have no reason but to put you in the very top right here. Underneath those, this little map pack, we have this is where all the organic traffic lands, and it's all right here on this first page of Google. And to find your pages here, you're going to be dealing with all that authoric content being found for those keywords, and also what comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is, it's a link from a website linking back to your website that's just really pushing power back to it. Not all backlinks are actually created equal. There's a huge trust factor with those as well. If I take your URL and stick it inside of Ahrefs, just want to do a quick overview. Ahrefs is just a tool that lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a site. So it looks like you started this thing back in 2013 or so. This is the last 3 months of your website. You got 62 referring domains, pushing back 526 backlinks. Looks like historically you've had over 4,000 backlinks there. The PPC stands for pay-per-click, so it doesn't look like you're running any ads in here. You got 230 keywords you're being found for, 73 clicks on average to your website every month. Coming in and seeing where these clicks are actually coming from. You got Foster Air Conditioning. You got your name. Here's a keyword: commercial HVAC San Diego. There's 40 clicks a month. Your 6th position, getting a couple clicks off that. That's pretty good. Air conditioning repair San Diego, CA, 150 clicks there. 16th position, 2nd page. Nobody really goes shopping on the 2nd page there. Excuse me. You got your name here. More La Jolla to. Let me see. Air conditioning El Cajon. I don't even know how to say that word. 40 clicks a month, 17th position, missing all the traffic once again. Commercial heating services, furnace repair, San Diego, CA. There's a good keyword. 30 clicks a month, 19th position, missing the traffic. I'm going to show you one of your competitors here. This is Bill Howe. He does air conditioning repair as well as plumbing. But I'm going to stick them inside of Ahrefs. I'm going to do a quick overview. So they got 752 referring domains, which is pushing back over 8,000 backlinks, over 11,000 keywords, 6,000 average clicks to their site every month. So this is what they're ranking for. Here's their keywords, the amount of traffic, and their position for each keyword as well. I'm just going to go through some of these. HVAC San Diego, there's 450 clicks for that one keyword. Their 2nd position, they're getting 37 clicks out of the 450. Pretty good ROI. Actually, I think they could do a little bit better at 450 clicks there. Something maybe isn't optimized right. Plumber La Mesa, there's 200 clicks a month there. 2nd position, getting 27 clicks out of the 200. HVAC repair, hang on. Get their name. Carlsbad Plumbing, another 100 clicks a month. 2nd position, 18 clicks out of the 100. 18%, that's pretty good. Air conditioning repair, San Diego, CA, 150 clicks there. 4th position, getting 17 clicks out of the 150. So really coming in and finding more of these keywords, and also doing enough backlinking to get in the top position, so you can actually see that that ROI start kicking in, and your phones start ringing too with these quality jobs. But anyway, if you see any value in anything that I went over, think that I might have a few tricks on my sleeve, feel free to reach back out to me. I'd love to put a custom game plan together for you. Or if you just want to play these 3 free tips for yourself, that's fine. Or if you want to give me a review on this on this video, I'd love reviews. Thanks. Have a good day.